Unyihu wa dawa cia gutangikira mathina ma meciria, unyihu wa namba ya arigitani a gutangikira mathina maya ni mamwe ma mathina maria magumiire thibitari nyingi cia muingi guku bururi-ini. Ni kuringana na urugamiriri wa thibitari wa gutangikira mathina ma meciria wa MATHARI kaunti-ini ya Nairobi hindi ya kuririkana andu aria magumiirwo ona kana manakuruhana na murimu wa meciria, makiuga thina uyu ukoretwo ugicungiriria muhatikano mathibitari-ini.
Our staff had a bad reputation. People would say usiende MATHARI utafungiwa, utapigwa, utatusiwa, isn't it? That was the attitude then. Today you are hearing testimony from Philip that he comes here and is received like a VIP.
We will request that you increase our budget again for medicines, that we may continue to give the best newer medicines for our patients.
Ona kuri uguo kaunti ya Kiambu ni wetongoretie hari kaunti iria igumiirwo ni mirimu iria yumanaga na mathina ma meciria, undu uria kuringana na mubunge wa kaunti ino Anwa Muratha, thina uyu ucungiriirio ni uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia, ngui cia kimucii, uheani wa kirira kiogomu gatagati-ini ka mangi.
Ambiriria kuhuthira nyamu icio ri nigetha ariganirwo ni thona uria agereire, tutiikana ni kana kanyitirwo kia hinya ge kanini, tutiikana ni anake ona monetio maundu magigi
acemania na andu ajoi makamura ni tunywe tuikare turi iguru, ainuka mucii agetwo muguruki, aumira bara akerwo ni borithi maritwa, ciana citu ikaga hope.
Hamwe noguo ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite gicunje kia 25 hari igana kia arwaru aria mekinyagia thibitari-ini itiganite makamukira motungata ma urigiti na makainuka makoragwo magumiirwo ni thina wa meciria.
Time when your loved one asks you what is wrong, you cannot answer what is wrong when you have no idea what is wrong. You're struggling with something.
4% of the people in Kenya, that is 2 million people of the population, have a mental health condition, and 1%, more than 500,000 people, have severe mental health condition, including schizophrenia.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari ni hoetwo gukorwo ikiguithia marihi ma kwamukira motungata ma urigiti na oho kuheana mathomo megemaine na thina uyu kuri maabitha a kuheana motungata ma urigiti kuri muingi matura-ini.
1 in 4. So if you have a family of 4, it could be somebody just in your own household. So let's show some love from people who suffer from mental health, and let's be there to listen.
Kenya moritio kunyitirira andu aria mari na thina wa mirimu ya meciria na oho kumateithiriria kumatha motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini itiganite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma thibitari-ini wa MATHARI kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.